Hey guys, it's Troy. I just wanted to show you a quick home valuation tool that I have on my website. Very easy to use. So I'm just want to go through the steps on how to do that and what it looks like. Again, if you go to my website, troyemhiser.myrealtyonegroup.com, I have that located everywhere on Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you can find that. All you have to do is go to my homepage, click on property search right here at the top, go down to home valuation, click on it, and it's going to bring you up to Homebot, which is a pretty awesome tool. Just put in your address. I will go ahead and put in my old house. It'll do an automatic search for you once it gets to a point where it notices it. Just click on that and it'll automatically bring up a home valuation for you. This is a pretty valuable tool. It's not going to give you everything here up front. It'll give you the value to get started. You'll see the little locked tool here. If you click on the email address, put in your email address, you can get started to sign up for it. It allows you to put in your mortgages and update certain fields about your house to give a more accurate picture. So it's free. Please use it. If you have any questions, get back to me, but it's a pretty cool tool. So I hope you guys take advantage. Thanks.